I discuss hysteresis now. This is the next weekend syllabus nana, but learn in this week very easy topic hysteresis. Actually nana, this is the bar magnet. Look here nana. South north. This is the magnetic material, ferromagnetic material like iron, cobalt, nickel, steel, anything nana. Okay, that is the magnetic material. Here nana, this magnet towards the magnetic material, towards the magnetic material. This magnet produces magnetizing force on the magnetic material. Once again I repeat nana. This is the bar magnet nana. This bar magnet to produces the magnetizing force on the magnetic material. Because of magnetizing force, this iron magnetization ante attract. Attract means this north pole automatically this is south pole. Because unlike poles are attract. In the magnetism, monopoles do not exist. Dipole will be exist. South automatically this is north. That means in the iron or in the magnetic material, magnetism induced. Magnetic moment developed per unit volume is nothing but the intensity of magnetization. అంటే సింపుల్గా నువ్వు ఇక్కడ హెచ్ చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నావు అంటే మ్యాగ్నెట్ మూవ్స్ టువార్డ్స్ ద మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ మెటీరియల్ that is called H increases. That means on the magnetic material H increases. Automatically here this material induces a magnetism. Magnetic moment developed per unit volume is nothing but the intensity of magnetization. H increases. Automatically I also increases. I can explain by using graph nana. This is the hysteresis graph. Look here. I take H can be taken as x-axis. H means magnetizing force. Here I intensity of magnetization. H can be taken as x-axis. I can be taken as y-axis. Here according to here bar magnet nearer to the magnetic material. Here more magnetic moment develop. That means H increases. I also increases. Both are directly proportional, so the graph indicates straight line. In the graph, this indicates O to A. H increases. That means దీని మీద magnetizing force increase అవుతుంటే automatically more magnetic moment developed in the material. So that means H increases. I also increases. Both are directly. In the graph indicate O to A. Both are directly in the graph indicate O to A. Here. Next step. To see here. Here this bar magnet moves away from the material. That means this bar magnet to produce the H none. Bar magnet away, that means H decreases. I also lightly decreases nana. That means here magnetism developing is lightly decreases. This will be remove. Finally H becomes 0. That means magnet completely remove. Magnetizing force 0. I does not equal to 0. That means in the material already magnetism induced. This cannot be removed. That means this material iron becomes a magnet now. That means H0. But I magnetic moment developed per unit volume in the material not equal to 0. In the graph to see here now. Here H decreases. I also decreases here. In this point, this is called y-axis. On the y-axis, I is present. On the y-axis, x physical quantity 0. On the y-axis, according to mathematics, on the y-axis, x becomes 0. That means simply here H0, but I does not 0. This point is B. here h value becomes 0 because these on the y-axis. On the y-axis x becomes 0 అంటే h 0 కానీ ఇక్కడ I value does not 0. I does not 0. The value of I is called retentivity. Once again, what is the retentivity definition? Retentivity means h becomes 0 but I does not 0. The value of I, the value of OB, the value of OB is nothing but the I. The value of OB is called retentivity. అంటే యాక్చువల్గా h వల్ల I వచ్చింది బట్ h 0 but I does not 0. h 0 I does not 0. The value of OB or the value of I at h becomes 0. The value of I or the value of OB is called retentivity. Is called retentivity. Here one more point nana. Initial h at a, for example, at a h value 5 nana, at b h value becomes 0. At a I value also, for example, 5. But here I value at b I value becomes 3. That means h value a to b 0, I value a to b not 0 nana. Here which will be less decrease? I will be less decrease. Which will be more decrease? H will be more decrease. అంటే here ఏది లాగింగ్ లో ఉంది? I. ననా the lagging of I compared to H. The lagging of I compared to H. This phenomena is called hysteresis. What is the hysteresis, Nana? Hysteresis means actually H increases, I also increases up to O to A, but it reaches the maximum value, H decreases, I also slightly decreases, finally H becomes 0, I does not 0, the value of I is called retentivity. That means lagging of I compared to H. This phenomena is called hysteresis. Lagging of I compared to H. This phenomena is called hysteresis. అంటే ఇదిగోండి చూడండి h 5 to 0 అయిపోయింది అంటే డిఫరెన్స్ is 5. Here difference is 2, which will be less decrease I. That means వెనకబడిపోయింది lag of I compared to H. This phenomena is called as hysteresis. Next, Nana, I discuss another more point, Nana. This is the bar magnet, Nana. This is the iron, Nana. Here, magnetic material. Already here, poles are induced according to previous south north. This bar magnet fields are reverse. ఇందాక ఇక్కడ సౌత్ ఉంది నార్త్ ఉంది, ఫీల్డ్ రివర్స్ చేస్తున్నాను అంటే ఇక్కడ నార్త్ ఇక్కడ ఏం పెడుతున్నాను సౌత్ అంటే మ్యాగ్నటైజింగ్ ఫోర్స్ రివర్స్, హెచ్ వాల్యూ రివర్స్. ఇయర్ మ్యాగ్నటైజింగ్ ఫోర్స్ రివర్స్ చేసాం, మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ మూమెంట్ ఇన్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్ సౌత్ టు నార్త్. దిస్ లైన్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ క్యాన్సిల్. దిస్ హెచ్ వాల్యూ ఇంక్రీజ్ నన్న రివర్స్ హెచ్. That because bar magnet poles are reverse చేసి towards the magnet iron తీసుకొస్తుంటే నన్న once again this bar magnet poles reverse and it moves towards the iron, that is magnetic material. Here because of reverse field, original field, induced field will be cancelled at a particular reverse field. Here minus h increase to see here, this is h, minus h increase, I decrease, finally in this point C H, the negative H దగ్గర I becomes ఏమైంది అంటే 0. సార్ I 0 ఎట్లా సార్ అంటే on the x axis y becomes 0. That means the reverse field at which intensity of magnetization becomes 0. This value of C is called as, the value of OC is called coercivity. And this force is called coercive force. And this force is called coercive force. Once again, in the graph, OC is called as coercivity. Coercivity means the reverse applied field. The reverse applied field at which I becomes 0, then the negative value of H is called as coercivity. ఇదంతా నెగటివ్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ H నోనా, ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ H at which I becomes 0, the value of H is called coercivity. అంటే coercivity అంటే అక్కడ I becomes ఏమవ్వాలి 0. retentivity అంటే ఏం 0 అవ్వాలి, H becomes 0 but I not equal to 0. the value of OB is called retentivity, the value of OC is called coercivity. Again same process will be repeat. The graph shape is here nana. This is the loop nana. This is the loop. Here nana, to see here, generally I discussed another more topic nana, hysteresis loop, hysteresis loss, loss nana, hysteresis loss. Hysteresis loss means simple ga energy loss per cycle. Cycle means complete loop per volume. Hysteresis loss means energy loss per cycle per volume. Mainly depends upon the area of the loop nana, according to experimentally. That means energy loss mainly depends upon the area of the loop, directly proportional to area of the loop. According to this concept, area of the loop more unte hysteresis loss, energy loss kuda more untadi nana. A small example I discuss nana here. A small example I discuss here. Look here. In the periodic table, all elements hysteresis curves are drawn. In the periodic table, I draw ferromagnetic substances nana. Ferromagnetic substance means the best example is steel nana. Here steel. This curve is nothing but the iron. In these experimental curves, experimental loops, which loop is more area nana according to diagram? This is more loop. Automatically steel area is more. Automatically hysteresis loss also more. That means energy loss in the steel is more nana. That's why in the transformers we use iron material nana, not a steel nana. Because what is the use of transformer? To transfer the current from one place to another place. For example, Hyderabad to your Mancheriala, Hyderabad to your Nizamabad. That means electric current transfer from one place to another place without loss of energy. But because of without loss of energy kavali ante we use the material name iron. Andike in the transformers to made of iron materials nana, iron can be used to made the transformers. Because hysteresis loss will be less according to this graph. Area of the loop is less. Automatically hysteresis loss also less nana. So iron can be used as the to made of transformers, nana. Steel hysteresis loss also more nana. So hysteresis loss more kabatti, energy loss more kabatti, it cannot be used in the made of transformers nana. One more point neatly to revise. First, H increases. That means bar magnet valla vachina field increase cheste magnetic material lo intensity of magnetization develop. H increases, I increases in the graph O2A nana. Next, H decreases, I also decreases, but H value 0, I not equal to 0. This value of I, the value of OB in the graph is called retentivity. Here H value negative applied, that means finally I becomes 0. I 0, the negative value of H is called coercivity, and this force is called coercive force. This is the graph nana. Area of the loop more unte, hysteresis loss also more nana. According to these ferromagnetic cause, which area is less nana? Iron in the periodic table. So that's why iron can be used to make the transformers nana, because energy loss is less. So that's why we use iron metal to make the transformer nana. Completed this class. Next I discuss permanent magnets and temporary magnets.